A very good day to my fellow friends and my lecturer. Okay, my name is Shankaranathan, son of Surya Kumar. Okay, today I'll be talking about our block 2 for EDE subject, which is English Development and Engagement. Okay, first of all, before starting my uh, explanation process, okay, I would like to thank to our lecturer, Dr. T.S. Dr. Henry Fithiran Swahili, for helping us all the way through for our completion for our project proposal. He helped us to answer every questions that could possibly be asked to him, and it was a complete success that we could finish our proposal on time. Okay, now let's begin with the first question that has been listed. Okay, for the first question, okay, there are many things that I've learned throughout this completion of project proposal. Okay, one of it is I've learned how to make a better proposal from the previous proposals that I've done before. For example, the proposals that I've done before for other subjects was quite good, but doing this current proposal, I have learned many ways to that I've learned many ways. There are many ways for us to complete a proposal. For example, for the introduction, executive summary, abstract, everything. And other than that, I also learned how to communicate efficiently with my teammates, especially with the teammates that I have, which are different classes and everything. Okay, we couldn't even meet at all the times, but we also managed to discuss all the way through for us to complete our project proposal. Other than that, I also learned how to find the problems that are currently occurring in university, especially you see from a point that transportation is very important for every student, especially the students staying outside. And one of the transport mode of transportation that we have in UTHM is bus services, shuttle bus services. So we thought that maybe discussing about this topic could improve the transportation that we have in UTHM for a better life of students and the residents over there. There are many personal developments that I've been having since completing this project proposal, especially in talking in English, which I can talk more fluently than before. This is because the whole time I was doing this proposal and having meetings with my friends and my fellow members, we were using English all the time so that we could learn how to communicate in English so well. This has made my life more easier because English was not the main language that I've been using so far. Because we're living in Malaysia, usually Bahasa Melayu will be the first language that we'll be using, and I'm an Indian as well, so Tamil is my main language. Now I'm learning English for a better personal development. So it was quite helpful for me. Another thing, I also got the chance to be more disciplined and punctual at the same time. Where the things that I've done was that I have to submit my work so that everyone can complete their work as well, which has helped a lot with my punctuality and everything. So that next time if I have any other project that I can do more better by sending it more early, and it was quite helpful for me. Other than that, I also learned that I also have learned how to write in English or type in English much more better than before for project proposals, assignments, or uh, and for going so on. Okay, for the third question, okay, one of the problems that I was having throughout the completion of project proposal was, especially as a member or a group leader, by having my teammates all together in one places so that we can talk about our project proposal. And it was very hard because the classes that we are having was not synchronized, so when I'm free they will not be free at that time. It was quite challenging for us to meet at one place, and it was going on for a long time until I have taken some solutions, not only me, my group members, to have Google Meets and WhatsApp conversations as calls as well. This has made many improvements by shortening our time of completion of project proposal, and was quite helpful. And we also made some very huge progress by having Google Meets and WhatsApp conversation where we can discuss all about our proposal. One of the major changes that I've taken was by having Gmails or conversation as frequently as we can, because it was we were having many problems with the time management, and it was a good thing for me or my group members to do that, because we could finish our proposal as fast as we could and could manage to present it to our lecturer. And like to personal the change was good. And okay, that's it from me. I would like to thank everyone for helping me completing this project proposal. And for the last thing that I want to say, okay, thank you, Dr. Henry, again for helping me a lot, and my fellow members. Okay, thank you.